Batteries. Chance to talk with our Grant Marshall, an honorary starter for O'Reilly earlier. Plenty pumped up about the event. So's the driver standing by with Alan. That would be Brandon Bernstein, who left here a couple of months ago, not sure if you'd be back in a race car. How good does that feel?
Oh, Alan, it feels great. You know, and to get the first win for the MAP TV Louisville Protect the Harvest car. I mean, it's huge, you know, and it feels so great to be out here. Yeah, I was on the edge, you know. I didn't know if I was going to be back out here, but thanks a lot for everybody.
You can tell how pumped up he is with that reaction time. Yep, now Antron Brown and Corey Mack. Corey, one of the great veterans, been racing here at Boulder Club Raceway for over 2 decades in the top fuel class. For Santa Rapisarda, the car motor made in those colors to take a lot of us back to Corey's old Mack Attack days.
He's got a whole bunch of